You will learn how to download Microsoft Word document, okay, from your Gmail account on iPhone. First, tap on your Gmail mobile application. As the mobile app opens, scroll until you get to the email that contains the Word document file. Okay, look at this one I have here. So I will tap on it. Okay, look at the Word document I want to download. For you to download the Word document from this your email to your iPhone, tap on the Word document for it to open. Alright, so once it opens, you will see it fully, some part of it. If you scroll down, you see more. Okay, then tap on the share button, which is at the bottom right. On tapping that, you will see some options. Select Save to Files. On tapping on Save to Files, you will be shown the location where that file will be saved. Alright, and here it's going to be saved in a location called on my iPhone location. So at the bottom part, you will see the file name, which is OneDrive on iPhone. That's the file name. I will change it to just OneDrive doc. Okay, OneDrive doc. So it's optional. You may do it or you may not do it. So OneDrive document. So tap on the save button at the top. And this file is saved inside the Files app of my iPhone. Let's go and check it. So what I need to do is to get to the Files app of my iPhone. Look at it here. I will tap on it. Okay, so here I'm not seeing it. Okay, all right, look at the file there, OneDrive document, and it's here. So I can tap on it, open it, and use it for whatever thing I want to use it for. So if you want to learn more tech tips with a little touch of finance sometimes, just consider subscribing, okay? Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section.